When and how did India start playing cricket? Today, let's explore the exciting history of Indian cricket. Cricket came to India with the British in the 1700s, first played in 1721. It was initially a sport of the British elite, but by the late 19th century, Indians started forming their own clubs, and the first cricket club in India, the Calcutta Cricket Club, was established in 1792. In the early 1900s, cricket became a source of national pride for India. The 1911 win of an all-Indian team against the British in England was a big deal, making cricket a symbol of unity and inspiring patriotism. After India became independent, cricket really took off. The Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI), formed in 1928, helped organize the sport. Joining the Imperial Cricket Conference in 1926 meant India started playing international cricket, with its first Test match against England in 1932. In the late 1900s, Indian cricket soared. The 1983 World Cup win, led by Kapil Dev, was a huge moment. It made everyone believe India could win big in world cricket. In the 1990s and 2000s, Sachin Tendulkar was a cricket star in India, becoming a symbol of the sport. His success inspired players like Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni, who pushed Indian cricket even further. The start of T20 cricket and the Indian Premier League (IPL) in 2008 changed cricket in India forever. The IPL turned cricket into a worldwide show, mixing fun with top-notch play, and made it easier and more exciting for new fans. And let's not forget the women who fought their own battles to carve a niche in this cricket-crazy nation. Women's cricket in India has been on a rise, challenging stereotypes and inspiring a new generation. The national team, led by icons such as Mithali Raj and Harmanpreet Kaur, has showcased exceptional talent and resilience, achieving significant milestones on the international stage. Cricket in India has come a long way from its early days under British rule to now being a world-leading force in the sport. This journey is filled with dedication, overcoming challenges, and great achievements. As the sport continues to evolve, one thing remains constant: cricket's place in the heart of every Indian. Thank you for watching. For more fascinating stories about sports and history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Let's Shoot. See you in the next video.